You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. There are two slightly different pronunciations. Let's go through. If you want to learn, by the way, more vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned. More medical terms too. Premature. There are two different ways of pronouncing the first syllable. It's either pre or pre. Pre or pre. Ma, a schwa sound, and then ture. It's a ch sound, right? It's not just a T. The British English pronunciation is going to be as premature. Premature. In American English, the US pronunciation, premature. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.